Hey guys, I'm here. This is me, Jace the Owl. Okay, now, make sure I'm recording. So, today, I'm gonna show you all about things on the horse. Okay? I, oh, okay, here, I have 5 eggs of horse. I'm gonna span 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Here's a donkey. 1, 2, 3. Maybe he can be a wolf. Okay. You need the big one, the old big horse. So, oops. I'm missing some wheat. Now they're coming with me. Go back. Go. So you can see you can control them because they're not yours. So we're gonna tame them first. Step 1. First you need the wheat. Fill and hide any horse. AP is 1. Take it. You remember that you can ride them, control them. So you ride them, you feed them. First you ride them, then you feed them. Then try until you can open the array. Now I need to open it. So now I can open it. Now this is wild animal. So I'm gonna get, you need a 1 saddle, guys. So you open the inventory of the horse and put the saddle there. So you can control it right now. You can jump with it. That. So now this is now. So the second step is how to dye not dye like dead, like that. Dye, coloring it, the leather horse armor. So you need this one, Coltrane. Then you need a water. Let me see, 2 things. And pick any color of this. Other green. Mean line. Okay. Put down the cauldron and put a water on the cauldron. Then put the flame there. Now it's clear. Have it. You can only all leathers. But you can your armor to not only the horse. Now check that. Now the second step is done. Now third step, how to make the horse. Just put the hand here. Place it down. In the here, put one name tag. Then put the name tag. Name thing. Then replace a name. I speak my Jace. My YouTube channel name Jace. Okay, now you need a one experience. Now get it. Good. Now you have. Where is it? You have it, Jace. Now go to your horse. See the name. Click it. Now your horse is named Jace. Name after wild. Step 3 is done. Let's move on the fourth step. Okay. Now the fourth step is how to let to lash your horse into oak, maybe stick. So now I have a lead. Lash the horse, then click the stick like that. Yun yan. All around the thing. If you wanna ride your horse, that, see that, get it. You ride it. Yeah. Your flesh. Okay. That's it for today, guys. Peace.